To buy Bitcoin using Coinbase. First, from Dashboard, tap the Buy and Sell button. And select Buy. Search for crypto in which you are interested. As I am in Bitcoin. If you want to buy at the current market price, then enter the amount and tap Buy. But if you want to buy at a particular price trigger, then can change it from the top right corner to limit order. As I am interested in the current price. Here, also if you want to buy on the basis of Bitcoin quantity, then you can also shift it. But for convenience, I keep it as USD. Enter the amount. Choose payment mode, and link any payment method like bank account, Apple Pay, or with cash available in your account. As I go with available cash in my account, you can choose accordingly. Tap Review Order. Review details like BTC buying price, and quantity you got and fees you have to pay. Tap Buy Now, and it will be purchased.